Welcome to this week's edition of Immunology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by LucidQuest. The United Kingdom's Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency has approved Guselkumab, marketed as Tremfya, for the treatment of moderate to severe Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Previously approved for plaque psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis, Guselkumab demonstrated remission rates of up to 56% in Crohn's patients and 50% in ulcerative colitis patients during maintenance therapy. Initial dosing will be administered via intravenous infusion, with ongoing safety and efficacy monitoring planned. In the United States, cases of psoriasis and cellulitis have surged. Between 2010 and 2021, psoriasis incidence rose by 11.7%. while cellulitis cases increased by 18.5%. Alarmingly, mortality due to cellulitis rose nearly 40%. The disease burden varies significantly by age, sex, and geographic location, with older adults and specific states experiencing higher prevalence. Experts emphasize the need for improved prevention strategies, resource distribution, and personalized treatment plans. The Genital Psoriasis Wellness Consortium has released 14 new clinical guidelines to enhance care and diagnosis. Highlights include the recommendation for a dedicated ICD-10-CM code, routine genital examinations during dermatologic assessments, and electronic medical records that capture psychosocial impacts. The guidelines advocate for personalized therapies and shared decision-making due to the condition's sensitive nature and its high psychological toll. Biofrontera has secured patent protection for Ameluz, its nano-emulsion gel used in photodynamic therapy, extending exclusivity to the year 2043. The company has also completed enrollment in its Phase 2b clinical trial for moderate to severe acne. The treatment aims to provide a non-systemic alternative to antibiotics and isotretinoin, offering new hope for acne sufferers seeking photodynamic solutions. Positive pediatric results have emerged from the use of QRX003 for peeling skin syndrome. After 12 weeks of treatment, one child showed significant improvement in both skin appearance and quality of life scores. No adverse events were reported, and treatment will continue for further evaluation. QRX003 is also in late-stage trials for Netherton syndrome and may become the first approved treatment for this rare genetic disorder. Lurie Children's Hospital in Chicago has become the first United States treatment center for ZEVASKYN, a cell-based gene therapy approved by the FDA for recessive dystrophic epidermolysis bullosa, or RDEB. ZEVASKYN is the first gene therapy approved to treat wounds caused by RDEB. Treatment is scheduled to begin in the third quarter of 2025, supported by the Abeona Assist Patient Program. The American Medical Association has expanded CPT codes 96920 through 96922 to include additional inflammatory skin conditions such as vitiligo, atopic dermatitis, and alopecia areata. This expansion aims to reduce reimbursement barriers and could improve access for more than 30 million patients. Strata Skin Sciences expects its Extract Excimer laser platform to benefit from increased commercial and clinical use. The Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America is pushing for comprehensive prescription drug pricing reform. The foundation criticized the most favored nation pricing model for oversimplifying complex market dynamics. Its proposals include structural reforms to pharmacy benefit manager rebates, Medicaid funding policies, and coverage variability. The organization supports Medicare price negotiations, transparent formularies, and expanded protections for patients on high-deductible plans. In a $335 million agreement, AbbVie has partnered with Adarx Pharmaceuticals to develop next-generation siRNA therapeutics. The collaboration combines AbbVie's drug delivery capabilities with Adarx's RNA-based platform. Key therapeutic areas include neuroscience, immunology, and oncology. The goal is to silence disease-causing genes with sustained precision through RNA interference. Stay ahead in immunology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.